up, Powerstroke Nation? My name is Austin, and you are watching the Powerstroke channel. If you're new, my name is Austin. I have a 7.3 Powerstroke, and you guys are the Powerstroke Nation watching this thing get built to 500 horsepower and a lot of cosmetic upgrades. So I know I've already done one of these videos before, and you guys have probably seen the title thinking, you already did this video. Well, this is 3 more things that I love about my 7.3. It's currently my most popular video, as you can see here. And I wanted to do another one, 3 more things I really love about the truck and not look so silly with my weird cricket hat. One of the reasons I love this truck is the sound. I know I did that in the other video, so this will be technically 4 things I love. But since that video, I have straight piped this truck, and I want to re-say, holy cow, this truck sounds so much better. Again, my truck has a 4-inch diamond eye exhaust with a 10-inch exhaust tip, and it sounds amazing. It is super grumbly, super angry, and and you gotta hear it in person to really appreciate it. I've sat outside the truck and let somebody else drive it, and it just sounds amazing. It's such a deep grumble now, and you get that perfect amount of whistle and grumble, and I love it. It's not overpowering. So that was just kind of a freebie. Again, I've already talked about that in a video, so that's definitely not one of the legit reasons. That's just another one I'm recapping because since then it has been modified. All right, so now the official first thing I love about this truck. I absolutely love that it's a long bed. I know I struggled with that when I was looking at these trucks. I really wanted a crew cab short bed, but I'm really loving the long bed. I can fit multiple things. I can fit multiple quads back there. I work construction, so I use a lot of wood and lumber and stuff, so being able to put a full sheet of plywood in the back without it hanging out is amazing. Not having it sitting on the tailgate, I really enjoy that. I love having the convenience of a long bed, being able to put anything I want back there and it pretty much fitting. And what makes it even better is when eventually I do get quads, I can stack them up pretty good back there. This truck has a lot of room. Again, granted, for it being an extended cab, don't mind the mess back there, it's a bunch of tools. This truck has a lot of room. I can fit my 6'4" big butt back there just fine and ride back there just fine. And I can lay across these front seats and it's pretty roomy. So much room for activity. I love how wide the front seat is. I can fit 3 adults up here just fine with this bench seat. It's really actually not that bad to sit 3 adults up here. And it's definitely a lot wider than the Tahoe, and I thought the Tahoe was really wide. But this truck, I like how tall it sits. I like how wide it sits. My legs aren't up in my chest when I'm sitting down like in a Toyota. I've sat in a couple and my knees are literally up to my chest because the floorboards are up close. I mean, it's a small truck, but I'm a big guy. So I love the size of this truck. It fits me fine. I'm comfortable in it, and it's really nice. And another thing I really do enjoy about this truck is the power that it has. Granted, it's a 7.3, and a lot of people talk crap about 7.3s, how they don't have any power. Even when you chip them, they still feel slow. Well, granted, it's a workhorse. It's not meant to be fast or high performance or anything. It's meant to work. But if you've driven a stock 7.3 and you go and you chip it, it's a world of difference, you guys. It is a absolute huge difference, and I am honestly impressed with this truck's power. The pedal is no longer a dead pedal. It reacts like on a dime, and I am going. I put my foot into it, and there's no more lag like there was when it was stock. I can get where I need to go fast. I had a horror story one time. I was trying to pull out of a gas station on a highway and get across 3 lanes of traffic to get to the center to get over to keep going where I was going. I mashed it on this truck with stock, and it didn't do anything. It rolled out onto the road, didn't react for a couple seconds. There was a big truck coming my way, and then all of a sudden the truck just woke up and was like, oh, I need to go, and then it finally went. There was so much lag in this pedal in it. It was that point that my next modification was going to be the chip. So now that I have the chip and I've had it for so long, it's amazing. I wouldn't drive this truck without it. So if you guys are looking to wake up your 7.3 a little bit, definitely get the Hydro chip. It's just waiting to be woken up. That's all this truck needs, is a little bit of help, and it's really impressive. Now, I'm not stopping with the chip because I am power hungry. I want 500 horsepower out of this truck. So my plans for this truck are compound turbos, bigger injectors, and I'm gonna build this thing up. I wanna have a very powerful truck. Now, I'm not gonna go drag race it every weekend because it is my daily, but I wanna be able to have a truck that if some guy pulls up next to me in a 6.0 or build 5.9 or whatever, I can give him a run for his money. So I'm going to thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know I said I was going to do the high pressure oil pump this week, but I just haven't had the funds to do so. It's been a really, really rough time lately, so I really want to apologize for that, but it will be coming. I'm not going to be doing a new H-pop, but I will be fixing the one I have and kind of showing you guys how to do that. So again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know you guys have probably heard about the Salem, Oregon's water crisis going on. Everything's fine, it's just a little hectic. You have to go refill your waters at water stations down in certain areas where the National Guard or City of Salem is helping out. So, I mean, everything's fine. It's a little ridiculous. It's just some algae in the water that is very toxic to people that are young kids, elderly, animals. But if I were to drink it, I'd be fine, but I'm choosing to drink quality water. But with all that aside, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.